Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the issue in private match whenever you like equip a optic or a specific perk or attachment, whatever, for your weapon. It just deselects, I guess, in private match. And let's get straight into it. So all you have to do is go over to the weapons, go over to loadout, and whatever weapon you're having this issue with, you can do a few things. The first thing that you guys can do is, let's just say my optic is being is being removed. You want to first just manually remove it. So once it manually removed and you don't see the optic anymore, you can go back and choose whatever optic you want. Once the optic is done, just make sure you don't double click on it, because then it does uncheck. Just click on it once when you see this check, and then you can go back and you will see that it is not like happening anymore. And the other thing you guys can do is that if that doesn't work, just simply if you just click on it and you go back and it just it despawns, just do it like 3-4 times and it'll automatically fix on itself. And yeah, that is it. And then another thing you guys can do is you can restart the game as well. And once you do that, you should be good to go. And yeah, that is how to fix the issue with the optic or attachments just being equipped automatically. And yeah. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.